Tux Paint Series, Part 1. How to install Tux Paint. Tux Paint is free drawing software for children. It's used in schools around the world to learn drawing on computer. It's a fun, easy-to-use software with lot of options. Before we learn to make drawing like this in Tux Paint, let's install Tux Paint. On your Windows, click on search box in the bottom left and type Tux Paint. In search results on right, you can see it shows tuxpaint.org. Click on it website or click on download link. Also, other way, in any browser, open google.com and type Tux Paint. In search results, it shows Tux Paint website. Let's click on download link. We will download for Windows, but if you have Apple Mac OS, click here. In download list, click on link for Tux Paint software on left. Download starts in few seconds. Save the file on your computer. Once download finishes here, click arrow and select Show in Folder option. Double-click the downloaded file to start installation. Follow the steps as shown. Now it's installed. Double-click Tux Paint icon on desktop to start Tux Paint. This is window mode of Tux Paint. To open Tux Paint in full screen, in search box in bottom left, type Tux Paint and select Tux Paint full screen from list to start it in full screen mode. In next video, we will install lot of stamps like birds, animals, vehicles to use in our drawing.
Thank you. For more videos subscribe on Kids Circle. To download worksheets or our Android app, please check the description box below.